Imagine a world where your memories aren't just captured, they're relived. Where every angle, every moment, every breathtaking perspective is yours to command. For years, we've pushed the boundaries of what a camera can do, strapping them to helmets, drones, and even our pets. But there's always been a limit. A compromise. A moment you wished you could have seen differently. The whispers have begun. The leaks are no longer just rumors. What we are about to reveal is not just the next evolution of a 360 camera. It is a complete reimagining of how we document our lives, our adventures, our world. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the GoPro MAX 2. And the information emerging from the deepest corners of the industry is frankly unbelievable. For the next 30 minutes, prepare to have your mind blown. We're diving into the genuine, credible, and utterly game-changing details of the MAX 2. This isn't speculation. This is the truth that will reset your expectations for every action camera on the planet. If you thought you knew what immersive video meant, think again. Stay with us. You don't want to miss a single second. Beyond 360, towards omnidirectional capture. Let's begin with the heart of any camera, its ability to see. The original GoPro MAX gave us 360, but it often felt like a niche, a compromise between convenience and quality. The MAX 2, according to the most explosive leaks, is ditching the 360 label for something far more ambitious. Omnidirectional capture with smart reframing at the edge. What does this mean? We're not just getting higher resolution. We're talking about a rumored dual sensor system, significantly larger and more light-sensitive than the original MAX leaks suggest an incredible 12K capture resolution for still photos and a jaw-dropping 8K 60 frames per second or even 5.7K 120 frames per second for video, stitched seamlessly. This isn't just a bump, it's a leap. Imagine the clarity, the detail, the ability to punch in and reframe any shot without a hint of pixelation. Your old 4K videos will look like ancient history. But here's the true innovation. Intelligent perspective prioritization. The MAX 2 is rumored to employ an onboard AI chip that can actively analyze the scene. If it detects a primary subject, say, a person surfing or a mountain biker, it can intelligently prioritize their detail and maintain optimal exposure and focus across both lenses, even before you start editing. It's not just recording everything, it's understanding everything. Stabilization. The unshakable reality. GoPro's Hypersmooth has been a game-changer. It made gimbals almost obsolete for casual users. But the MAX 2 isn't just refining it, it's taking it to a level that defies physics. The most exciting leak points to a Hypersmooth 6.0, powered by a new 10-axis internal stabilization system combined with advanced computational algorithms. This isn't just about smoothing out bumps, it's about spatial stability lock. Imagine flying a drone through turbulent winds, or riding a motorcycle on a bumpy dirt track. The MAX 2 is rumored to be able to lock onto a specific point in space and keep the horizon perfectly level, regardless of how violently the camera itself is moving. It's like having an invisible, perfectly balanced gimbal built directly into the camera. This means buttery smooth footage in conditions that would make any other action camera unusable. Your audience won't just see the action, they'll feel like they're floating through it. Audio. Immersive soundscapes. Often overlooked in action cameras is the audio. The wind noise,